Time for Chef Suzy!
Hi, welcome to the Produce Pick of the Month. My name is Chef Suzy, and today we're talking about jicama. Jicama is spelled with a J, J-I-C-A-M-A, jicama, and jicama is the new potato. Jicama also is known as the Mexican turnip, the Chinese potato, or the Mexican potato. Jicamas are so delicious. They're my new favorite vegetable to work with. It's a root vegetable, and you can make so many interesting dishes out of them. Maybe you've had some in your home too. Well, today we're gonna make jicama fries. That's right, they're gonna be raw and they're gonna be delicious. All I'm gonna do is peel the jicama. Jicamas are fun to peel. You just wanna use a knife and kind of slowly take your time and make sure you don't cut yourself. And you want to take the skin off. Once you get the skin off, then you want to cut it down just like this. Now, people like to cut them really thin and make them into little tortillas and make tacos out of them. Can you believe that? That's so cool. But I'm just going to make jicama fries. So I'm going to cut them down into the shape of French fries, nice and thin. And then I'm going to put them in a bowl, and I'm going to add in this bowl some cucumber. I've got my cucumber right here. I'm gonna slice them down nice and thin, just like French fries. And then I'm gonna add some green Granny Smith apple for some sweetness. You can't go wrong with apples. Then I'm gonna add some fresh lime juice. And then I'm gonna add some chili powder. How do you like your jicama? There's so many ways to make it too. Jicama can be baked and broiled and sauteed and fried. They're the new French fry. So, I'm just gonna cut these down and cut them into French fry form, just like so. And then I'm gonna add them to my bowl. I've got 3 ingredients. And guess what? These ingredients, they'll all fall in your fruit and vegetable, in your My Plate. So you'll be able to crush it right here today, because the vegetable part has your jicama and your cucumber, and the fruit part is your lime and your green apple. Can you believe that? It's gonna be an awesome day. So I've got my French fries made out of my green apple. I'm gonna add those to the bowl. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of chili powder. You can add any seasoning you like. Then I'm gonna add a half of a lime. I'm gonna squeeze it right in there, just like this. Then I'm gonna toss them together and put them on a plate. And you're gonna be able to enjoy jicama fries. You can make these for anybody. They're so delicious and they're so easy to make, and they're a great snack too. You can pair them next to your favorite protein, your favorite dish, or you can just have them as an after-school snack. But they are gonna please everybody. These are jicama fries. Jicama, remember, is the produce pick of the month, and it's an edible root vegetable. They're compared to a potato, a pear, or even an apple. And you're gonna love them because they're nice and juicy. And they are grown year-round. So you can make your own recipes because they're crunchy with a mild taste, and they're awesome in everything. You can make jicama sticks, jicama wraps, and they're low carb, and they're so great. So I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you pick out the right jicama at the grocery store. Make sure there's no bruises and no cracks, and the smaller, the sweeter. Thank you.